Alright, what's going on everyone? In today's video, we're actually starting off in Lawrence, which is a new location for us, so that's pretty cool. And our secondary location is going to be Saluda. But about this first location, I could not find absolutely anything about it. So if anyone knows anything, let me know. I'll credit you. I couldn't find anything. It was just randomly found, just passing it by, going somewhere else. So if you find anything, let me know. Like I said, I'll credit you. And sucks this place is caved in because you could tell it was a really cool place before that. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you later. Peace out. Beautiful. Beautiful. No way that's abandoned. So this is literally the whole house. In there, the front door, it's caving in as I speak. And that's it. And there's an animal in there, so I hope y'all enjoyed. This house was built in 1919. In 2005, the owner actually passed away in a small plane crash on the property. So he owned his own personal plane, and he was taken off from the runway in the back and actually crashed into some trees. Him and his wife ran this place as a bed and breakfast, and it was being renovated as far as I know, but a little bit, maybe a year ago, it just stopped, or it seems to have stopped. But they still leave power on inside. So that tells me it's too hot to go into. So I got this picture for y'all. If y'all want to see other pictures, they're scattered across the internet. But it's rumored to have an alarm and there's power on, so it was a no-go for me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.